Shout out to you all, guys. Shout out to you all. I hope you all do well out there, by the way. So we're gonna try a quick this is not Nescafe. I'm gonna make something pretty refreshing. Iced coffee. I may change the name later, but for now this is what I'm aspiring to. Ice coffee, and I may add some milk. You can add the milk of your choice, okay, almond milk, whatever, coconut milk or normal dairy milk. Other than that, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, make sure to drop one of these. Sub to the channel if it's your first time out here. We love you all here and we love your support. So without further ado, let's get down to business. Let's do it, people. Let's do it. Bang, 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 bang. Yeah. Add the coffee. So you need this type of coffee if you want to have the, you know, the Cafe Nero style or Costa style or Starbucks. Deep down, this is what they use, this type of coffee. Okay, so I'm putting 3 sachets. I'm gonna add the milk in a minute. No sugar. You don't need to add any more sugar. Okay. A little bit of milk. You can add some cream to this after when it's done. But I'm gonna keep it very simple. So, normal milk. Alright, that's pretty much done now. Let's pour it in the cup. So this is how they make your, this is how your Costa, Starbucks and so on and so forth, they do their ones. Okay, so you can do this at home very, very easily. It's pretty easy, pretty straightforward. And add what type of milk you prefer of your of your preference, and that's it. Job done. A little bit light, but okay. So this is my Frappuccino, cooler, iced coffee, whatever you want to call it. Let's test it. This is superb. Yeah! Try super members.
Tastes like Kinder Bueno.
It's like Kinder Bueno.
Yeah.
Nice.
Very sweet.
I didn't add any sugar. That's the funniest part. No sugar.
They're
nothing.
very sweet.
Yeah. Exactly. Mokate or whatever they call themselves. Other than that, that's pretty much the end of this one. I hope you have enjoyed it and you have learned something out of this. Other than that, make sure to drop one of these. Sub to the channel if it's the first time out here. We love you all here and we love your support. So as usual, keep it safe, keep it late, and we shall surely see you on the next one. Peace.